This time we begin at the Supreme Court of Nigeria, which has joined Katsina, Lagos, Cross River, Ogun, Ondo, Ekiti and Sokoto states as co-plaintiffs in the suit challenging the Naira redesign policy of the federal government. Similarly, the Apex Court joined Edo and Bayelsa states in support of the federal government on implementation of the policy. The 6 states, in their motions for joinder, pitched their tents with Kaduna, Zamfara and Kogi states, who had initially filed the suit. The 7-man panel, led by Justice John Okoro, also says its February 8th order barring the federal government from enforcing the February 10th deadline for the use of old notes still stands. The Kogi State Governor, Mr. Yahaya Bello, and councils to the federal and state governments have also been reacting to the outcome of today's proceedings.
We are in court because Nigerians are suffering as a result of this CBN modeled up cashless versus currency redesign. That is why we are here today. And from the understanding we have from this court, the order made by these honorable justices still subsists up till Wednesday when the matter will be heard. Thank you very much. And I want to urge, and of course, all of us governors, we want to urge all Nigerians. Yes, we are all suffering, but let's stay alive. Let's maintain peace, law and order. If we kill ourselves, others will remain there to enjoy your money. It is just a temporary setback for us in this country. We are not condemning this particular policy of President Muhammadu Buhari. It is going to be the way to go, but the implementation, that is what we are questioning.
I want you to know the government is not deliberately frustrating the plaintiffs. This is a problem that we are trying to solve. The banks operate the ATMs. They do. And I join in appealing to the banks to put money in the ATM if they have it.
Court order of 8th of February restraining the defendant is still subsisting, and the court confirmed now, and the implication of that is that the old notes still remain as legal tender in this country. The policy or directive given by the CBN governor becomes inconsequential in the light of the fact that the court has extended the lifespan of the interim order granted on the 8th of February to the effect that the old notes and the new notes, all of them are legal tenders in Nigeria. So until the motion or notice taken on Wednesday. So that is the current position as of now. Any other step in contrary to that will be in contravention of the orders of the court.
No ruling today as expected by the Nigerian people, but the acceptance of a lot of these people who are joining the suit for a consolidated hearing, which is expected on the 22nd. That's next week, Wednesday. Justice John Okoro reminding the lawyers not to politicize this matter. Remember, the 22nd is just a few days to the elections, which will be holding on the 25th. And also asking the lawyers in court today to be mindful that this redesign policy, this Naira redesign policy, has had such a great impact on the Nigerian people. One that has caused a lot of suffering, especially in the rural areas, and saying that everyone should have that in mind and not just politics while they're having this particular conversation. In total, 9 states are joining this suit against the federal government, and this redesign policy, and 2 states are on the side of the federal government. Interestingly, the 9 states that are against this redesign policy are APC states, and the 2 states that are on the side of the federal government are PDP states. Remember, we are in an APC government, so this twist is a very interesting one that many Nigerians will be interested in seeing how it plays out. So ultimately, no ruling today, but accepting all these applications from states joining this suit, and a consolidated hearing expected on the 22nd of February. From the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Kayla Megwa, Channels Television News.